So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Do you have a WordPress website running on a local host and want to move it to Hostinger? Here's a simple way to get it online. Firstly, log into Hostinger panel, then go to Websites. Select Create or Migrate a website. Now choose Create a new website and select WordPress. Enter your WordPress login details and complete the installation. Once WordPress is installed, go to Websites. Admin panel to open your new WordPress dashboard. Now, on your localhost site, create a backup of your WordPress files and database. Upload your website files to Hostinger and import your localhost database into the new WordPress installation. Now update the WordPress database configuration so they use your Hostinger database name, username and host. Then finally, check your domain and make sure your pages, images, plugins, and settings are working correctly. And that's it. Your WordPress website has been moved to localhost to Hostinger and is ready to go live. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.